how to watch Naruto Shippuden in English on Hulu. First things first is you can pull up your preferred browser, go to Hulu's official website, which is hulu.com, log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, there's actually two options to do this kind of method. On your profile, you go to settings and go to language settings. Now you can change whatever language you want if it's available on Hulu. That's actually the whole language of the whole app. And then if you wanted to change language for selected movies, all you have to do is click on the movies you're currently watching or you wanted to watch. And there is a language setting on the lower right corner of the movie. You simply click on that, and once you click on that, there will be available language you can change on to that specific movie. So that's how you watch Naruto Shippuden in English on Hulu.